Good morning from Cape Tribulation. I'm right out the front of our accommodation here at Cape Trib Beach House. It's about 6:15 a.m. and I'm just waiting for the sun to rise right in front of me over the water.
At the southern end of Cape Tribulation Beach is Kulki Lookout, an easy 600-metre walk where you get a lovely view of Cape Trib Beach. Now, Kulki is the local indigenous name for this area. So behind me is Mason's Store and Cafe, and it's really popular for exotic burgers like buffalo, emu, crocodile and camel. But I'm going to show you something that's really special right here near the store, and you go down a little secret walking track. So let's check it out, you're going to love it. So just across the lawn from the store and into the bush you have Mason's swimming hole. And guess what? There are no crocs here. So if you're hot on a Daintree day, come and cool off the swimming hole.
Mom, I can swim in it.
One of the prettiest walks in the Daintree is the Marrdja Boardwalk. It's only 1.2 kilometres and it brings you to this gorgeous view overlooking the creek. Now, Marrdja is a local word from the Eastern Ukalangi people, that means forest or jungle, but I think it should mean swamp because this is quite a swampy area. That's pretty.
Which one do you want, Savannah? One of everything? There's about 100 flavours.
There we are. Thank you. Now we get to taste the Daintree. This is the Daintree Rainforest flavour. It has lemon myrtle, ginger, coconut, vanilla, kale and spirulina. So it's good for you too. So we're at Floravilla Icecream place here in the Daintree, and it's biodynamic, I can't speak, and organic, and it's one of two places to get some exotic ice cream in the area. The other is the Daintree Ice Cream Company, which we've been to before. Oh, that's beautiful. You can taste the coconut and ginger in that. Oh, it tastes like a Thai curry. Tastes like a green Thai curry. Lovely.
The flavour, guys?
Chocolate.
Choc mint. Is that yummy? Yummy, Savannah? What do you reckon, Savannah? Is it yummy? Yeah. Port Douglas Marina Station.
Port Douglas has its own brewery, Hemingway's Brewery. Sounds like my kind of place. Let's go in and have a beer and maybe write a book.
Alright, we found ourselves at the marina in Port Douglas. Time for some cold beer. It's a very warm day. And we're at Hemingway's Brewery, which is rather fitting for us being travel bloggers, I guess. Wasn't it him that said, write drunk, edit sober?
I do that a lot. I was doing it last night. I'm going to do it with Doug's courage right here. It's
No,
give me the courage to
we're not
write.
getting drunk, but we are going to sample one or two of their beers. I've got the Pitchfork Betty's Pale Ale.
This is Americana hops, just the way I like it. Good.
Cheers. Cheers
out the
Hemingways
views.
and cheers PD.
Saturday afternoon, the place to be is the QT Resort pool. There's a swim up bar and you get welcome drinks upon arrival. So we're about to go and enjoy it. It's a gorgeous day. The QT Resorts are some of our favourite hotel chain in Australia. They're fresh, modern, funky, just really good fun at these resorts. In the design, the attention to detail is awesome. We're going to show you the resort a little bit more. Right now, it's time for that drink.
Cheers.
Coconut frozen daiquiri time.
Hanging out at the QT Resort here in Port Douglas. Kids are having a swim in the background. Vibes are happening, music playing.
We just swam up to the bar to get this, so I'm sold. This is a great place.
Yeah.
Too easy. Cheers. Wow, just got back from the QT spa. It was amazing. Had a deep shoulder and back massage and I feel a little less tense now with all that running around we've been doing. This is a great way to end our Port Douglas and Daintree trip. I think it's time to head out to dinner. We're finishing up an amazing Port Douglas trip here in the QT. We're having a buffet breakfast. We're going to be sad to leave the Daintree Port Douglas area, aren't we? We love it here. It's one of my favourite places in Australia to holiday, especially with kids. It's an amazing destination. Thanks for hanging out with us these past 5 days.
I do too. I do too.
If you haven't seen any of the other videos, click the links below so that you can check them out. You love it too? It's awesome. Let's blow the Port Douglas and Daintree big kiss. Mwah.